Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy DeFi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. For those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would suggest you do that. You can subscribe, you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from me again, and also like and comment on my channel because it helps me grow as a person and also my channel as a person. So guys, in this video I just want to make a live withdrawal from DeFi staking platform. If you look at my stakes here, there are some stakes that I did for a few days specifically to show you how we can make a withdrawal using those stakes. So majorly I was staking for 10 days, as you can see, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days. Then I did this two here. This one was for 2 days. I did this one majorly to test a withdraw. I know it is paying, but some of my followers wanted a test withdraw from me, so that's why I put this small one here. And also I did another small one here. Actually I did two. I did this one also for 2 days and this one also for 2 days. So these two here will be done by tomorrow. I'll also withdraw them. Then after that I did this one. This one is for a long one for 30 days, and I also did this one also for 30 days. So let us go and withdraw. So now when the dividends are available for withdrawal, the cancel button will turn into a collect button, as you can see here. So if I click on this, it opens my wallet. You can see when in the wallet says the function stake end. So I accept it. Remember here I have 19,080 in my balance. So if I'm to refresh, you see this one has increased a bit. It was 80 here, it has gone up to 130. It means that my shares have gone here and my dividends have gone into the wallet. So if I'm to pop up my wallet here, you can see the dividends go into the wallet. They have come here, as you can see, from the address of the smart contract changed with 27. That's what I crammed at least. So that's how it happens. The dividends, they go to your wallet directly, and the DSP tokens, they go into your DSP balance to be staked again so that you can make a withdrawal. So if you want to sell your DSP tokens, like here, what you need to do, you just go to justswap.network, you can see here, and you put them here. You can sell them from here. You just change this one because you are selling so from, you change this one to DSP is this one here. We have had some others that are popping up, but you have to select the contract that ends with 27. So you choose that, and when you choose it, it has to bring the balance that is in your wallet. So if we see here in my wallet, in the DSP balance, it is 19,130. So it is the one that appears even here. So you're selling it, you choose the token to sell it to. You can select Tron. You can see now my 19,000 DSP is equivalent to Tron. We enter here, it is 190. 190, 130. I'm not saying, I just want to show you guys. So my 190, 130 is equivalent to 65,920 Tron. As you can see, the exchange rate is here. They are selling 0.29 DSP per Tron. So guys, that's how we make a withdraw, or that's how we also exchange the DSP token to get another coin like Tron. You can exchange to any other coin also. And to end this video, let me also, I'm going to stake this, my 19,000, and I'm going to stake it like for, let me stake it for maybe, let me do it for 15 days. And I'm going to make follow-up videos on this deposit. So if I'm to stake it, you just put it, copy the entire amount and put it here minus the points, so it will be 19, 130. I'm gonna stake. Let me stake it for 15 days. Remember that the more days you stake, the more bonus day rewards you get here, as you can see here. So these ones so far I've staked them for every 5 days you get a bonus day reward. So I got 31. Yeah, I also got. So let me do it for 30 because I want longer stakes here. Let's stake it for 30 days. It pops my wallet. See the function here. It says start stake. So I accept it, and I've staked it for 30 days. So it will start earning on day 10, which is tomorrow. When this timer goes to 0, that's when it will start, and it will end on day number 40. So in the follow-up videos, I'm going to be following this and see its progress. So meanwhile, these are the dividends I've so far earned, plus this one in the ended stake. So this one was small, just I wanted to test a withdraw and show you guys that this thing is paying. So that's all I had for in this video. See you in another video.